And you are the one who infringe on my constitutional right.
Yes. If that's what you call it.
No, my constitution,
Yes.
give me the right to...
And what does section 14 of the road traffic says?
No law in Jamaica
Yes.
supersede my constitutional right.
Okay.
No law.
Okay. Well, here what
And it guarantee me safe passage without being searched
I do agree.
throughout any part of the
when
country.
I'd like to see you again? After 11 tonight when it's the curfew. Because the constitution is supposed to still supersede that. Your constitution
We're not talking about that right now.
No, that is dominant.
We're not talking about that.
What are we talking about?
There, that's emergency powers right there. We're not talking about that. I'm talking about me, the guarantee that the constitution give me to move freely without being searched.
Okay.
That's a right that I have.
So,
and talk to your superior.
The road traffic act
No law can supersede that. No law.
Okay. Go and do some reading. Have your documents and have a place. Go and do some reading. I want to go be a police.